Nvidia plans to invest around $150 billion a year in Taiwan. That was the word from company CEO Jensen Huang on Wednesday. He even predicted Taiwan will be the world's tech manufacturing hub for a long time.
The epicenter of the AI revolution. This is where the chips come, packaging comes. This is where the systems are made. This is where AI supercomputers were created. The number of partners we work with here in Taiwan, incredible.
His comments came at the launch celebration in Taipei for the chipmaker's planned Taiwan headquarters. Huang said the project will break ground this year and aims to be operational in 2030. He didn't provide a time frame for the number of years the company plans to invest $150 billion. The Taiwan headquarters will bring Nvidia closer to TSMC, which is the world's largest contract chip maker.